What do you think about those? A little different, huh? You want to try another one? Go. No. Mommy, do it first. Stop. Let him eat one at a time, okay? What do you think about that? Not so much sure. Keep it in there. Stop. Stop. Your son's not behaving.
There's all one.
There you go. Not so much? Aw, Zachy. Here. You can't keep it. Oh, okay. I don't think he likes the puffs, babe.